the world. And now we're going to show you what we have in our fridge and at home. So this is what we have in our fridge. Some young green coconuts, some sugarcane juice, and over here we have some organic lettuce, organic dill and coriander, and some organic small cucumbers. They're so good. Small cucumbers. So that's our fridge. And then we have more coconuts over here. We probably have around 40 or 50 at home right now. We love coconuts. And here we have some mangoes. They're not really ripe yet, so we're waiting for them. And then we have more ripe mangoes here we're gonna eat today. And some jackfruit, lovely jackfruit. And some beautiful organic papayas. They're amazing. So beautiful. We can eat some today too. And then we have some sapodillas, probably around 5 kilos, no, 3 kilos maybe. And 2 big dragon fruits. They're amazing. And of course some organic lime, apple cider vinegar, some aloe vera for the skin, and some bananas, different type of bananas, and organic avocado. And over here we have some more bananas. They're organic bananas. Lovely. And here we have our nice and beautiful jackfruit. It's gonna be so yummy. We're waiting for it to be ripe. So it's out here on the balcony.